Huge dinner under 500 calories, and the trick is what I use instead of rice. Tip number 1, brown the beef well. If you rush this part, the whole skillet tastes flat. Tip number 2, this is where the skillet starts building real flavor. Add the onions and then the rest of the vegetables, and then we're going to add the tomato paste and a quick splash of beef broth. Helps everything blend together. Now let's add our seasoning. I have the list of seasoning down below the description. Tip 3, cabbage is your volume move. This is what makes the portion looks massive without piling on the calories. Now let the cabbage cook down in that same pan. It picks up all the flavor, softens fast, and turns this into a big satisfying dinner. Now add the cherry tomatoes and let them start to burst. That gives you a little juicy freshness before the beef goes back in. I personally like cabbage a little crunchy, but if you want it softer, cover it for a few more minutes. If the pan gets dry, just add a splash of beef broth. And for the lighter sodium version, start with less salt and let the lemon do the more of the work. And the ingredients list is very simple, mostly beef, cabbage, onions, carrots, garlic, and some pantry spices. Nothing fancy, and of course, cleanup is a breeze. Would you eat this as is, or are you going to add some feta or some yogurt drizzles? Let me know below. If you want big filling skillet dinners that still cook smart, please like and subscribe and watch my other one-pan dinners on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.